Hey everybody, Papa Bill coming to you from Nerds Gone Wild. Tonight we're doing New York strip steaks with Montreal seasoning with baked potatoes on a budget we had of $25. So tonight we're doing baked potatoes, New York strips, and we're going to be using some Grill Mates Montreal steak seasoning on these. It's a very good seasoning. I recommend it. It's made by McCormick's. I enjoy it. No, they're not a sponsor for us, but I just enjoy the seasoning. So what I've done first is I took the baked potatoes, I put them in the microwave for about 10 minutes. So anyhow, so they've been in the microwave for about 10 minutes. Cooking a little bit and everything, and so now we're going to take them and I'm going to put a little oil around them, sprinkle a little sea salt, and wrap them in aluminum foil. Now I'm going to start seasoning up the meat and everything. Most of us are going to use the McCormick's, like I said, but I'm going to put just some regular Pappy's dry rub seasoning, low sodium, 50% less salt on one, because this has a little bit of a little kick to it. This one doesn't, so I'm going to sprinkle a little of this on and kind of pat it in a little bit. Okay, so I'm just going to kind of rub that in there a little bit. Get that all ready to go. Now we're going to do the same way for the rest, except I'm going to be using the Montreal steak seasoning on all the rest of the steaks. Okay, now I'm going to take the potatoes and I'm going to put them on a small cookie sheet. I've already preheated the oven to 350, as you can see, and I am going to place these in the oven and let them get going onto the side, because as you'll see, I will finish my steaks also in the oven here in a minute. Right now I'm going to get my
they ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Skillet ready. Sorry for that. Little pause there, folks, but anyhow, I'm going to get the skillet ready, get it all heated up and everything, so just give me a minute to get everything ready to go, and I will be quit saying I will be getting the skillet ready so I can put a sear on both sides of the steaks. Okay, now I'm going to start putting a sear on my steaks. So I'm going to put them in the hot grease, which I've already got.
You grab a hold of them.
I've already got it started. Maybe you can hear that sizzle there a little bit. I'm not sure. But I'm going to put my steaks in here and arrange them around. And now we're going to kind of, I'll get one side done, leave it in there for a few minutes till it's got a sear on one side, flip it over to the other side, sear the other side. Okay, so now we've got a sear on one side, I'm pretty sure, so I'm going to take and see and give us a little flip here. And you can see that sear on one side. Okay. Okay, so now I'm going to do one more flip on this sear, which is, we got a little heavier sear on the other side. Woo! Look out!
Wow!
Look out, son! There we go. And now I'm going to take the steaks and I'm going to place them in our 350-degree oven for about maybe 20-30 minutes. I'll put them in there. So there they are. They're in the oven. Flame is off. Let's see how they turn out.
What do you think?
Okay, so my timer just went off. I put them in for about 15 minutes. Now I'm going to take these out. Let's see what we have going on here. Okay, we will take, so we're going to slip this one out. Put it in the plate. Give it a little cut here. A little on the pink side, maybe not, maybe a little bit too long in the oven, but they are ready. Okay, so we're going to take our baked potatoes out. Close.
Jake, grab the metal pan, Papa Bill.
There they are. And there's the baked potatoes. And we will,
That foil looks nice. Nice foil.
some of us don't want foil on their potatoes. That is 3 of the 4 of us. So I will roll these potatoes out.
I won't foil either.
Okay. I guess I'm the only one that
I meant foil. I want foil. That's what I meant to say.
chooses foil, or I guess me and Dalton are. And the reason I choose foil on mine is because I choose foil on my potato because this is how I prepare mine. Do a slice and a pinch. Very hot potato, hot potato, hot potato, hot potato, hot potato. There's a hot potato.
Now my sword's gonna be on the internet forever.
Huh?
I said now my sword's gonna be on the internet forever.
Forever! Forever! Okay, so this is our finished product here, and I will be back to see you folks at the outro. Hey everybody, Papa Bill coming to you from Nerds Gone Wild. Tonight we're doing